bring power to your cheers, Stafford High School Cheer Squad held a cheer clinic to encourage future cheerleaders.
It's very important. The earlier they learn it, the better. Also, they have less fear the younger they are. So the earlier we teach them, the better. The earlier ones, proper formation, teaching that early, repetitive motions, things like that. Getting them early and then allowing them the time to practice that is great so that by the time they get to the middle school age and they're able to cheer and try out, they're much more ready to be a cheerleader.
Yes, so cheer is something that means a lot to me. So I really love to see little kids going, and I feel like cheer really just puts that happiness on anyone's and everyone's face. It just does a lot. So me to take time out of my day, it's not really taking time, it's just doing what I love to do.
Normally, they assign us to groups, but today I wanted the youngest group because I work really well with kids. So basically, I brought out the varsity cheerleaders. We led the stretches, we led the jumps, and we taught them cheers. And then after we broke into groups, I had first grade, and we taught them a few cheers, and then we came together and played games and teach them dances and all that.
So my history of cheer, when I was younger, no, I didn't really participate in stuff like this. I did watch cheer on TV, so that's how I really learned to like cheer. And I was on the middle school team, so my love grew for it.
Well, just because when we do parades or when we go out in games and we have our uniforms on, kids love us. So we thought it would be a good idea to have the kids interact with us.
Oh, it's great. It was a lot of fun, from start to finish, seeing tears at the very beginning to seeing how proud they were of themselves, how their voices grew from start to finish, how their motions improved from start to finish, how they learned things from start to finish, and their confidence in themselves grow. It's wonderful.
It's always good, even if you are shy, there's people here to help you and we can bring you out your shell. Cheer brought me out of my shell and it allowed me to express myself. So don't let anything shy or timid stop you from expressing yourself.
Cheer really had a leadership role. You have to go outside what everybody wants you to do. You have to do more than you're expected to do because you are a representation for the school. So it really teaches that leadership.
It's very important to include the kids because this is why we do it. When we go to games, they're the most excited. So we wanted to give homage to them and pay back and teach them what we do.
They're a great deal of fun. There's no reason to be nervous. We have tons of support and help out here. Even the ones who are shy and nervous to be out here, we engage with them quickly. We pull them away and make them have a great deal of fun while they're here.
It was really successful. We had a great turnout.
Yes, so I really hope today every single kid that came really got the enjoyment out of cheer and really considers being a cheerleader when they get older and just realize that it's a lot of fun.
To bring power to your cheer and support your favorite Spartans team, visit StaffordMSD.org. For Stafford METV, this is Rey Molano.